Okay, so here's the next one, Kim.
But how did he become a race mechanic then?
How he went to Carroll Shelby's, applied for a job.
Yeah.
And one of the drivers goes, he goes, "Are you English?" And he goes, "Yes." He goes, "You'll be working for me." And he goes, "I haven't got hired." He goes, "Carroll, hire him." So he hired my dad on the spot. And so every time my dad would go with Ken Miles, the driver, Ken got killed at Riverside a bunch of years ago. My dad was there. And what would happen is that they'd get to the racetrack with the semi truck, and they go, "Okay, I'll make tea, and you guys unload the car."